Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well and happy. So please, if you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch the complete video. Today I'm explaining to work and height. What is the definition of work and height? Work and height is any place, including a place at above or below ground level, where a person could be injured if they fall from their place. Access and egress to a place of work can also be work at height. Examples of work activities that are classified as working at height: working on trace let. What is the OSHA standard for work at height? What is OSHA? OSHA means Occupational Safety and Health. It's standard of UK. OSHA requires that fall protection be provided at elevation of 4 feet in general industry workplaces, 5 feet in shipyards, 6 feet in the construction industry, and 8 feet in longs horning operationals. What are the 5 PPEs used in working at height? PPEs mean personal protective equipment. Also, I want to explain this. Examples of height safety PPEs include harness, ropes, lanyard, shock observers, pole, straps, and rescue equipment is called full body harness. What is hot work safety? Hot work such as welding, cutting, and heating involves various hazards related to fire, burn injuries, health risks, electricians, and mechanical and compressed gas hazards. To ensure the safety of personnel and prevent accidents, it is circular to implement proper safety precautions and control measures. Its means of control of the hazards. It's part of 5 hierarchy of control. It's control of hazards. Level 1, avoid working at height. Level 2, ensure all those working at height are properly trained and supervised. Working number 3, select work equipment that prevents falls. Level 4, ensure that equipment is suitable, stable, and strong. Level 5, regularly check and maintain equipment. It's part of 5 hierarchy of control. First part of elimination, second part of substitution, third part of engineering control, fourth part of administration control, 5 part of personal protective equipment. It's last stage of this. I hope you are understand this all words and all activities of work and height. First of all, again I'm tell you, please watch complete video and understand this is very important of topic what is work and height. So thank you so much. Take care every time and Allah Hafiz.